what the legality issue is and how sex work is treated in Australia?
Yeah, really good question. And thanks for raising it because I wouldn't have thought to elaborate. Every state is different. And, the laws are changing, not regularly, but they do change. So, I'll give my understanding, but
Sure.
people need to check it out because it changes and I
Of
can't
course.
speak to it to heart. But in Sydney, it's completely decriminalized. In Melbourne, I think it was recently decriminalized. And then in other states in Australia, there's varying degrees there's typically a version of work that is legal in most places.
Mm.
So it just depends on complying with a range of laws. Like in some places, it's allowed, but only in a specific location. In other places,
Mm.
it's allowed, but there are certain parameters that can't be happening. But these things are also changing as well. Like at one point in Queensland, which is one of the states of Australia, you could be working by yourself, but you weren't allowed to be in the room with another. That was illegal. And I
Oh.
think that's, yeah, and I don't really know why.
Huh.
I'm sure there's some reasoning behind it that's to do with trafficking and protection and stuff, because that's my understanding of how this stuff usually comes about, at least on
Mhm.
paper. So, yeah, it varies everywhere, but Sydney specifically is completely decriminalized. Even street work is decriminalized. It's just that there's some
Amazing.
sanctions. Yeah, there's just some sanctions around. It can't be done like near schools and churches and that sort of thing.
Mm.